Hello and welcome to our vMix tutorial for beginners. I am Gift Smart. I'll be your instructor for this tutorial. Let's dive into our first section for this tutorial. Introduction to vMix. What is vMix and what is vMix used for? vMix is a software vision mixer available for the Windows operating system. This is a software designed to help you mix your videos, audios, record your outputs, stream live cameras, video files, audios, and lots more in different resolutions up to 4K resolutions. So this is what the vMix is, and that is what it does. It allows you to switch inputs, mix audios, record outputs, and live stream cameras, video files, audio, and lots more in different resolutions. So having known what vMix is, let's dive straight to the main part of our tutorial, understanding vMix layout. What you are seeing before you now is the vMix layout. So understanding vMix layout, we're going to be talking on some things: the vMix timeline, the preview monitor, the project or live monitor, the audio mixer, the presets, new, save, open, last, add inputs, record, transitions. These are all what you can see on your vMix layout. Then to the first one, the vMix timeline. If you watch carefully on your screen, my cursor will lead you to what I'm talking about. This part, which you can see, our blank one and a blank two, is known as it is known as the vMix timeline. Now, what is the vMix timeline? The vMix timeline is where all of your inputs will be located. All of your inputs will be kept. Whatever you have imputed into the vMix to work with will be added on your vMix timeline, be it video inputs, audio inputs, images, logos. It will be added to your vMix timeline. Then next, up to the preview monitor. This dark space you see here is the preview monitor. What does the preview monitor do? The preview monitor enables you to take a better look at your selected inputs before going out to what we then call the project monitor or the live monitor. The project monitor or the live monitor. The live monitor is the feed that serves your outputs, which is if you are wanting to stream to a Facebook or YouTube channel, whatever appears on your project monitor or your live monitor is what you are actually streaming. If you are displaying on a second screen, a second monitor, what displays on your project monitor or your live monitor is what is actually going to be displayed out for people to see. And next, we come to our audio mixer. Down here at the right bottom corner, you'll find the audio mixer. The audio mixer is used to monitor your audio inputs. It is used to monitor your audio inputs. When an audio is imputed into vMix, it comes to, as we said before, your vMix timeline. Well, if the audio is on, you are going to find it indicating on your audio mixer. It enables you to have a fast monitoring of your audios imputed on your vMix. And then we're looking at the presets. What is a preset? Now, presets are already saved input settings. Presets are already saved input settings. This implies that everything you must have imputed into vMix for a project have been saved for future use. What am I trying to say? You have imputed your video files, your audio files, your images, and then we are saying presets are already saved what input settings. So you want to use these input settings for an event later in the future, rather than coming and adding all those things back. You have already saved it as a preset. So that's what a preset is. You can see what you have here is new. This simply helps you to save a new preset. You want to save a new preset. You click on the new, you come here and you click on the new. Now they give you an option to choose from, which is your video format. Your video format. You are advised to keep it as what it is, except as a beginner you surely don't know how to go about it, so you're advised to keep it the way it is. What we have here is save. This simply means adding new inputs to an already existing preset, and you want to save these inputs to the preset because it was not saved to the preset as of when you created that preset. What we have here is last, simply taking us to the previous preset you were working on before opening your active preset now. This simply takes us to the previous preset we were working on before opening the recent preset. Then we'll come straight to the transitions. What are transitions? What are transitions? Generally, we can say the transition is a process or a period of changing from one state or condition to another. Fine and good. In this context, it is the process of navigating from the preview monitor to the production monitor using what we have here. These are tools that enables us navigate from the preview monitor to the production or live monitor, as said before. Down here we can see our add inputs, a very important part of the vMix software or a vMix production setting. The add input. This allows you to add inputs to this vMix. As we have said earlier, you want to add your images, your videos, your sound, you have to come through the add input button here. At a click of the add input, a window pops up.